Welcome to Eating Well with Chrystal. Today's recipe is bok choy with mushroom sauce. In this recipe, you will get crunchy and juicy taste from bok choy, dense meaty texture from mushroom, and a special magical sauce made out of green onion, ginger, and garlic. Make this recipe extremely popular in both restaurant and household. Now let's first see the nutritional value of this recipe. Bok choy, it belongs to cruciferous vegetable family, which includes broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. Unlike most other fruits and vegetables, bok choy contains the mineral selenium. Selenium helps to detoxify some cancer-causing compounds in the body, prevents inflammation, and decreases tumor growth rates. It can lower your risk of developing lung cancer, prostate cancer, and colon cancer. Bok choy also contains vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. These powerful antioxidant properties can help protect your cells against free radical damage. And the fiber in bok choy keeps your stool moving and feeds the healthy gut bacteria, which affects overall health, metabolism, and digestion. The best way to eat bok choy is to cook it, because cooking deactivates the enzyme called myrosinase, which can hinder thyroid function by preventing the body from absorbing iodine. The other main ingredient in this recipe is mushroom. Grouped with vegetables, mushroom is a nutrient powerhouse and provides multiple nutrients comparable to fresh produce. But it also contains nutrients that are commonly found in meat, such as iron, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. Its earthy, umami flavor allows mushroom to be easily used in place of meat. New study found that eating a mushroom-rich meal can result in feeling full longer compared to meat-rich meal, which makes mushroom is an excellent food item to help you lose more weight. Mushrooms comes in lots of different shapes, sizes, and colors. As long as you buy from a reliable grocery store, it is safe to eat. Now let's look at how to cook this dish. I use 5 pieces of organic fresh bok choy, 4 ounces blend mushrooms I bought from my grocery store. The homemade sauce that turns the taste from good to great needs 1 piece of green onion and 1-inch long ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. The condiment used in this recipe includes 2 tablespoons light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, and ½ tablespoon cornstarch, ½ teaspoon sugar. First, wash the bok choy clean. Cut off the thick base, but not too much to cause the leaves fall apart. Then cut from the middle to split the bok choy into half. Mine has a relatively big head, so I split it one more time. I suggest you wash the bok choy again after the cutting. The wash before cutting might miss the inside hidden dirt, which is now exposed. For the mushroom, the one I get have different shapes and types, so I just simply wash it clean and pick out some of the bigger pieces and cut them into more even, smaller pieces. The next step is to boil water. After the water is boiling, add a few drops of oil and a pinch of salt. Can make the bok choy maintain its fresh and green color after the boiling. Now put the bok choy in the boiled water. Let it boil for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Don't cook it too long. You want to get rid of the raw taste, but you still want to keep the crunchy texture. Overcook also make the veggie turn yellow and also lose more nutrients. Now transfer the bok choy out of the water to a plate. It is time to prepare the magical mushroom sauce. Saucepan on high heat with 1.5 tablespoon cooking oil in. Add the green onions, garlic, and ginger and stir until the edges of the spices turn slightly brown. Dump the mushroom in, stir a few times. Start to add the condiments. Light soy sauce for the taste and the dark soy sauce for the color. The oyster sauce and a little bit of sugar to add the extra layer of umami taste. If you feel the base is dry, add additional water to it. Mixing it well. Put the lid on for about a minute to let the flavor settle in. The last step for this sauce is to add diluted cornstarch. Stir it back and forth. You can almost immediately see the soup get thicker. Turn off the heat, and this mushroom dressing is ready. Then I move on to arrange the bok choy in the plate. Just put all the heads in one direction so it looks tidy and clean. Then I pour the mushroom sauce mainly to the tail side of the plate. I also like to add some chili sauce on top to add some bright color and spicy flavor. Now this bok choy with mushroom sauce is ready to eat. Before you eat, gently mix the bok choy and mushroom to coat the bok choy with the dressing. You can feel the crunchy and fresh taste from the bok choy and the rich flavor and meat-like texture from the mushroom. It is a very delicious alternative if you want to eat less meat to lose weight and improve your health. Since you can buy bok choy and mushroom almost all year round, it is a very affordable and accessible dish to add to your regular meal as much as you want. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and take advantage of the nutritious benefits from the bok choy with mushroom sauce. This is how you eat well to lose weight and stay healthy effortlessly. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications for more healthy recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.